Let us start with the practice for today. Let us sit into asana, sit straight, back straight. If you can, both of you can move, then it will be good. Okay. Let us start. Back straight, hands on your knees, chin straight and parallel to the ground. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more count. Inhale and exhale. Let us come in the present moment and let us give the best for the next 45 minutes to 50 minutes. Hold Namaste or Pranam in front of your heart chakra and let us chant Gayatri Mantra to begin the practice for today. Om Bhurvaswaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Namaha Prachodayat. Om. Gently open your eyes and let's come back and let us start with the practice for today. Let us come on our knees and on our hands. Let us start with the Manjari Asana. Inhale, look up and slouch your back. Exhale and come like a camel. Your back should be like a, yes, very good. Inhale once again, look out. Exhale once again, arch your back. Inhale once again, look up. Exhale, arch your back. From here, bring your right leg out and let us start with ankle rotation. Okay? Right leg goes out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Other way round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Toe out and toe in, toe out, in, toe out, in. And just move your fingers up and down. Right leg comes back, left leg goes out. Let us start with the rotation again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. The other way round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Toe in and out, toe in and out, toe in and out. Just move your fingers in and out and your left leg comes back. Let us start with the hip rotation on the right hand side. So just look at me once. Bring your legs complete. Let's make a circle like this. Okay, Dr. Annie? So, yes, very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, very good. 5, very good. 6, 7, 8, 9, Let's do it the other way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. With this, your right leg comes back. Let us do the same with the left leg now. Let us start. 1. Let's make big circles. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The other way around. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. With this, your left leg comes down, come back on your knees. Let us start with shoulder rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The other way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's place our fingers now on our shoulders and let us try to fold and make zeros from inside to outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. From outside to inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. With this, let's come up and then now let's bring our hands up and let us try to rotate in both the directions 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Other way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. With this, bring your hands down and let us start with next rotation. You may want to close your eyes and place your palms on top of your thighs, and then from the right hand side, inhale from the right hand side, exhale, go back and to the front. 2, inhale, go back, exhale, and slowly come down. 3, inhale, go back, exhale, 4, inhale, go back, exhale, come in the front. 5, inhale, go back again, exhale, and come to the from the left hand side now. Inhale, go back, exhale, and come down. 2, inhale from the left, exhale, come back. 3, inhale from the left, exhale, and come back. 4, inhale, Inhale, exhale, and come back slowly, and let's come up. Inhale, let's look on the right hand side. Let's come back. Inhale, let's look on the left hand side. And come back. Inhale once again. Look on the right hand side. Let's come back. Inhale, left hand side. And back, 3. Inhale, look again on the right hand side. And back. Inhale, look on the left hand side. And back. Let's look up. Inhale, look up. Back. Inhale, go down. Back. Inhale, go up. Back. Inhale, go down. Back. Inhale, go up. Back. Inhale, go down. And let's come back. Last set. Inhale, bend on the right hand side. Back. Inhale, bend on the left hand side. And back. Inhale, bend on the right hand side again. Back. Inhale, bend on the left hand side again. And back. Last count. Inhale, bend on the right hand side again. Back. Inhale, bend on the left hand side. And back again. From here, let us sit comfortably in Sukhasana and let us try to twist our body once. Left hand comes on the right knee. Left hand on the right knee. Right hand goes back. Yes. And then let us look back, twist. Let's hold here for 30 counts. Very good. 1, 2, 3. Keep twisting more and more and try to tuck your belly in. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10, 9, 8. Twist as much as you can. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's come back. Let's do the same thing on the left hand side now. So your right hand comes on the left knee. Right hand comes on the left knee. Left hand goes back and let us twist again as much as we can. Let's twist more and more. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's come back. Let's start with the first set of pranayam for today. As you all know, that we are continuing with Kapalbhati pranayam for this entire week. Okay, like we have been discussing, we will inhale and then forceful exhalation for 60 counts, and let's try to do it for 2 minutes. So 60 counts, you can stop, you can again inhale, exhale, and then continue to exhale for 60 counts, and let us do it for 2 minutes. Okay, Kapalbhati pranayam. Place your palms in Prakti Mudra to absorb all the positive energy, to close your eyes, and let us start with 2 minutes of Kapalbhati pranayam. Inhale and exhale and with this, let's come back, and now let us move to the next section of today. So like you all know that we are doing the burpees challenge, okay, this week. So we did 5 burpees, we did 10 burpees, and today we will do 15 burpees, okay. So first we will do 15 burpees, and then we will do 5 rounds of Surya Namaskar, and then we will move to the next set of pranayam. After that, last set of asanas for the entire body, and we will do some stretches to relax the body. Okay, so let's start with the burpees. 15 burpees. Let's come at the beginning of our mat. We will go slow, don't worry, we will go together, so don't worry. Okay, let us start. Okay, so we are all at the beginning of the mat. Jump up, down, jump back, push up, come up, jump back in and back. 2, jump up, down, back, push up, come up, jump back in and down. 3, jump up, down, push back, push up, come up, back and down. 4, jump up, down, push back, push up, come up and back, down. 5, jump up, down, push back, push up, come up, jump in and down. 6, jump up, down, back, push up, come up, back, down. 7, jump up, down, back, push up, come up, back and down. 8, jump up, down, push back, push up, come up, back, done. 9, jump up, down, back, push up, come up, back, and done. 10, jump up, down, push back, push up, come up, jump back in, done. So we are done with 10. Let's come up. Come on, Dr. Annie. Let's do 11, jump up, down, push back, come on, push up, come up, jump back in, and done. 12, jump up, down, back, push up, come up, jump back in, done. Very good. 13, jump up, down, push back, push up, come up, jump back in, done. Last two. 14, jump up, down, push back, push up, come up, and jump back in. Last 15, jump up, down, push back, push up, come up, jump back, and come up. With this, very good. We all almost did 15 burpees. Very good. Let us go strong. Next class, we have to do 20. And then the next class, 25. And we will be done with burpee challenge for this week. Let's try to normalize our breath. Okay. Let's come back now at the beginning of the mat to start with 5 sets of or 5 cycles of complete cycles of Surya Namaskar. Okay. 1, 2, bend back. 3, forward bend. 4, right leg goes back. 5, left leg goes back. 6, Ashtanga. 7, Bhujanga. 8, Adho Mukhi. 9, right leg comes back between the palms. 10, left leg comes back between the palms. 11 and 12, Pranamasan. 13, again Pranamasan, very good. 14, bend back. 15, forward bend. 16, left leg goes back now. 17, right leg goes back. 18, Ashtanga. 19, Bhujanga. Very good. 20, Adho Mukhi. 21, left leg comes back between the palms. 22, right leg comes back between the palms. 23, bend back. And 24, Pranamasan once again. With this, we are done with the first cycle. Second cycle, once again. 1, 2, inhale, bend back. 3, forward bend. 4, right leg comes back. 5, left leg comes back. 6, Ashtanga. 7, Bhujanga. Very good. 8, Adho Mukhi. 9, right leg comes back between the palms. 10, left leg comes back between the palms. 11, bend back. And 12, Pranamasan. 13, Pranamasan once again. 14, bend back. 15, forward bend. 16, left leg goes back. 17, right leg goes back. 18, Ashtanga. 19, Bhujanga. 20, Adho Mukhi. 21, left leg comes back. 22, right leg comes back. 23 and 24. With this, we are done with the second cycle. 3 more cycles to go. Third cycle. 1, Pranamasan. Inhale, bend back. 2, forward bend. 3, right leg back. 4, left leg back. 5, Ashtanga. 6, Bhujanga. 7, Adhomukhi. 8, right leg comes back. 9, left leg comes back. 10, 11, bring back. And 12, Pranamasan. 13, Pranamasan again. 14, bring back. And 15, forward bend. 16, left leg goes back now. 17, right leg goes back. 18, Ashtanga. 19, Bhujanga. 20, Adhomukhi. 21, left leg comes back. 22, right leg comes back. 23 and 24. Come on, Lita Didi. Let us start with the fourth cycle. 1, 2, inhale, bend back. 3, forward bend. 4, right leg goes back. 5, left leg goes back. 6, Ashtanga. 7, Bhujanga. 8, Adhomukhi. 9, right leg comes back. 10, left leg comes back. 11, bend back. And 12, 13, 14, bend back. 15, forward bend. 16, left leg goes back. 17, right leg goes back. 18, 19, Bhujanga. 20, Adhomukhi. 21, left leg comes back. 22, right leg. 23 and 24. You're done with 4 cycles. Last cycle to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. 13, come on Didi. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. With this, very good. We are done with the second section of the asanas for today. And again, let us channelize the breath before we start the second section or the last section of pranayama for today. So we will again do 2 minutes of Kapalbhati. First, inhale, exhale. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. So with this, we are kind of now channelize the breath. Let us start 2 minutes of Kapalbhati pranayam. You can sit in Dhyan Mudra also by touching the tips of the index finger with the thumb. You can sit in Dhyan Mudra. Inhale, exhale, and let us start with forceful exhalation. 1 minute over. Next 1 minute. Inhale again. With this, slowly and slowly, come back to normal. And now slowly and slowly, open your eyes. From here, let us start with some set of asanas. So this is just normal practice, okay? Let us lie down on the mat. And then what you will do is, just come up. And then if you want, take support of the back and then come up straight. Okay, but try not to take the support of the back. Lie down, come back again, and then without taking the support. Okay? So let us do this 20 times. Okay? Let us start counting. Lie down on the mat. Okay? Let's come up and like this. Yes. Let's try, Dr. Annie. Yeah. Fine. Take support. Slowly and slowly. After 5 or 10 counts, come on, baby. Let us start. Let us try to come up without support. Okay? Yes. Come on. Come on, let's down. So let us start. Okay, we are on the mat. Let us come up first of all. Okay, without the support. Come up. 1. Yeah, very good. Okay, let's come down. Let's come up. 2. Let's come down. Let's come back. 3. Come up. Slowly and slowly. Yeah. Come down. 4. Let's come up. Come on, Didi. Let's do it together. Down. Let's come back 5. Come up. Down. Let's come back 6. Come up. Let's come down. 7. Let's come up. Very good. Down. Come back 8. Down. Back 9. Very good. Very good. Come back. 10. Come up. Very good. Let's come down again. 11. Let's come up. Come on, Didi. Let's do it. Come up. 12. Down. 13. Come up. And down. Back 14. Very good. Everyone. Down. 15. Let's come up. Down. 16. Come up. Very good. Last 4 to go. 17. Come up. Down. 18. Come up. And 2 more to go. 19. Come up. And last 20. And come up. Okay, from here, let us sit in Malla Asana or 40 pose. Okay, so from here, let us sit in Malla Asana. Yeah, so try to sit with your legs down and then holding pranam in front of you. Back should be straight, and let's push the knees with the elbows. And let's hold here for 30 count. Let me start. Yeah, the counter has started. And let's hold here for 30 seconds. Vidagi, Malasan mein aa jao. Come on Malasan, not in Sukhasan. Acha, haan, theek hai, you are in Malasan only. Yeah, fine. Very good. 15 seconds over. Last 15 seconds to go. 20 seconds done. Very good. 25. And last 5 seconds. 30 seconds. We are done. From here, place the left hand on the floor, pushing the left leg, and right hand goes up. And we will hold here for 30 seconds again. Okay? So, left hand and then right hand goes up. Let us start the counter. Again, left hand pushing the left leg and right hand goes up, opening the chest. Let's hold here for 30 counts. Are you feeling the pain? Yes. Yes. Pain. If there is no pain, there is no gain. Okay, 20 seconds done. Last 10 seconds. And we are almost done. With this, let's come back. Let's again hold Malasan for half a minute. Okay, very good. Let's hold once again. Pushing the knees and back straight. Let's hold. Very good. 10 seconds over. Malasan or 40 fold. Very, very powerful asana. 20 seconds. Very good, Dr. Anna. Very good, Lisa. With this, we are done with 30 seconds. Now again the same thing. So now push your right leg with your right hand and then your left hand will go up. Let me start the counter. Very good. 1. And the counter has started. Already 5 seconds are over. Let's push it more and more and more. 15 seconds are over. 20 seconds. 25. And almost done. Okay, very good. Relax now. Let us have a look at it now. The next asana. What we will do, Skandasana. So what we will do is, okay, from the right hand side, okay, left is straight and right you are on this, okay, take support and then come on the left hand side, Skandasana. Okay, then again take support and come like this. Okay, then again take support and we will come back. Okay, everyone, chalo, let us start. We will do it for half minute again. So you are on your left leg, right leg is straight, toes towards you. Yes, very good. Come on, Didi, yes, okay. Take support of right, come on the right hand side. Okay, 1. Take support, come on the left hand side. 2. Let's do 20 count. Okay. Take support and come in the front on the right hand side. 3. Very good. Take support again, come on the left hand side. 4. Take support, come on the right hand side. 5. Support again, come on the left hand side. 6. Support again. 7. Take support again. 8. Take support again. 9. Take support again. 10. and we are done. Okay. From here, let us come down on the mat. Lisa Didi, you will have some support of the ball. Okay, so let us see how much we can do. If you want, you can just tuck in your shirt. Okay, and we will do 20 leg raises, and then from there only basically crunches. Okay, and then from there only we will come in Sarvangasana. Okay, so let us start. From here, just look at me. 1 like this and then down. 2 like this and then down. Okay, this up and then down. Legs should be together. Just show me one. Lift up. Lift it up again. Yes, very good. दीदी ऊपर चेस्ट को नहीं उठाना है, लेग्स को उठाना है. लेटो, इसको उठाना है. आप ये उठा रहे हो, ये नहीं, ये उठा के लेग्स को उठाना है. 1 2 3. चलो ट्राई करो एक बार. डॉक्टर रानी, ट्राई वंस मोर बिफोर वी स्टार्ट द काउंटिंग. यस, वेरी गुड. यस. ये दीदी बैक को मत उठाना, बस वहीं रुको रुको. वहीं. फिर अगेन लेग्स को ऊपर करो. वापस हिप्स को ऊपर करो. नहीं, बैक को पीछे रखिए. लेग्स को ऊपर किया, अगेन लेग्स को नीचे लेकर गए. अगेन लेग्स को ऊपर. बैक को उठाइए, बैक को नीचे रखिए हमेशा. डोंट लिफ्ट योर बैक अप. बैक शुड बी ऑलवेज ऑन द फ्लोर. लेग्स अप एंड डाउन. लेग्स अप एंड डाउन. Okay, chalo. Let us start with 20 count from here. 1 down, 2 down, 3 down, 4 down, 5 down, 6 down, 7 down, 8 down, 9 down, 10 down, 10 down, 9 down, 8 down, 7 down, 6 down, 5 down, 4 down, 3 down, 2 down, 1 and down. And from here only lift your legs completely up to come in Sarvangasana. Lift your legs, your hips up with the support of the back. Try the planning. Is there a wall beside you? Yes, try more. Try lifting your hips up. Yes, very good. Okay, fine. Slowly, let's come down. Okay, from here, let us do Baddha Kona Asana. Let's try to do some stretches. Let's come back and let us sit. So first we will do butterfly pose. Okay, just hold the toes and let's start flapping. Very good. Let us flap as much as we can. Flap, 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 flap. And then slowly inhale and keep going down. Chalo, keep going down slowly. Chalo, look Rani. Let's go down like this on the front. Keep going down. Yeah, and let's try to touch our chest with our toes. Let's hold here for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's come up. Okay, And then we will do one more stretch for today. Okay. Ardha Hanuman Asana, left leg goes out and you are on both the hands. Chalo, come on. Take out the left leg. Right leg is back and you are on your knees. Okay. The right leg is back, you are on your knees. Left leg is out. And now slowly push back your left leg to make it straight. And then again come in the front. Push up more. Then again push back more. Again push more in the front. Again push back more. So left leg should be straight. Go back more on the right hand side. If you want, you can push your right knee back so that your left leg is straight. Left leg ko straight कीजिए. Vijay didi, left leg ko straight कीजिए. Yes, very good. Okay, now place again the palms and push in the front. Now again back. Yes, and now when you are back, in this case only, slowly place the palms on the mat. Yes, and then knees should not bend. Knees should be straight. And then slowly go down. It's okay. जितना होगा उतना करेंगे. So left leg is straight. Left leg is straight. Very good, धीरे धीरे. हाथों को नीचे रखो और धीरे धीरे जाना शुरू करो. Come on, Dr. Annie. Left leg, left hand on the left hand side, right hand on the right hand side. Okay? And then slowly try to bend. Let's do for 20 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Try to go down, no? Didi, hold the pose. Come back. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Left leg, hold, bring it back. Now let us start with the same thing on the right hand side. Chalo. Very good. Left leg out, left knee is back. Yes, very good option. Right knee straight, then go in the front. Chalo didi. Right knee again straight back, in the front. Very good. Right knee again back, and in the front, and then slowly, let's go back, and slowly go down. Chalo, go down. Yes, very good. Keep going down, okay. Knees को straight कर दीजिए. Right knee should be straight like this, huh? It's okay. If you are like this also, it's fine. But knee should be straight. Then only you will feel the pain in the hamstrings. Yeah, it's okay. Even if you are like this, it's fine. But make your knee straight. Very good, Lisa Didi. Knee is straight. Very good. Okay, let's hold here for 20. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And slowly release the posture and let us sit in Sukhasana to finish the practice for today. Let us sit in Dhyan Mudra. Back straight, sit straight. Try to touch the fingers, the first 2 fingers at the tip, and let us sit straight, back straight. And let's just try to calm and compose ourselves. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Let us hold Pranamasana or Namaste in front of our heart. And let us chant Om 3 times to finish the practice for today. Inhale Keeping your eyes closed, gently rub your palms. Start rubbing them faster and faster and faster, and rub them fast as much as you can to generate some heat and place it on your eyes. Rest your palms on your face to feel the warmth. Slowly and gently bring your palms in front of your eyes with a smile on your face, gently looking towards your palms. Open your eyes. Thank you for joining today. Thank you. Have a nice evening. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you. See you on Saturday. Bye.